evolution of computers. Let us learn about history of computers.
The need to keep track of numbers led to the evolution of different counting tools. Right from the evolution of abacus, the first counting device, many more devices were invented, leading to the development of computers. Let us glance through the major milestones in the journey leading to the evolution of the present-day computers.
3000 BC, abacus. Abacus was the first mechanical device for calculations developed in China.
It is made up of wooden frame with rods each having beads. The frame is divided into two parts. Upper part is known as heaven, having 2 beads in it, and lower part is called earth, which consists of 5 beads in it.
It is used for addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Let me share an interesting fact with you. In 1617, John Napier made a calculating device, a set of rectangular rods called Napier's bones. The rods were made up of carved bones, which were used for performing addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and square roots.
1642. Pascal adding machine. Blaise Pascal, a French mathematician, invented the first mechanical calculator at the age of 19 in the year 1642, which was capable of performing addition and subtraction. It used gears, wheels, and dials. Numbers were displayed by rotating the wheels. The gear principle was further employed in many mechanical calculations. Example, taximeter.
Leibniz calculator. Leibniz, the famous German mathematician, improved on Pascal's machine in 1671.
Leibniz calculator could do addition, subtraction, and even multiplication, division, and find square roots. It was a mechanical device.
Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage, a British mathematician, is considered as the father of computers. He invented a working model of the mechanical computer called the difference engine in 1822 and the analytical engine in 1833. The analytical engine has 5 units: input, output, store, mill, and control.
Based on these units, the present computers work in a similar manner.
Store was used for storing the data, and mill was the calculating unit. Control unit was used for supervising all the units. Students note the fact that around 1820, Charles Xavier Thomas created the first successful mechanical calculator, the Thomas arithmeter, that could add, subtract, multiply, and divide based on Leibniz's work.
1842. Auguste Adder, the first programmer who suggested binary data storage, 0 and 1 instead of decimal number system. 1850. George Boole. He solved mathematical problems by reducing them to a series of positive or negative answered questions and linked it with binary system of 1s for positive answers and zeros for negative answers.
The system known as the Boolean logic became the fundamental principle for the design of computer circuits. Students, have you heard about Dr. Herman Hollerith? Let me tell you about him. Herman Hollerith, an American statistician, invented a machine called tabulating machine. It was capable of reading data, processing it, and giving the desired output. The input was given through punched cards.
It used punched cards to record and store data or information.
John von Neumann.
He started the practice of storing data and instruction in binary code in memory.
He also initiated the use of memory to store data as well as program. Howard Aiken. Howard Aiken was a primary engineer in IBM who developed the first automatic sequence-controlled calculator, the Mark I, in 1944. ENIAC, or Electronic Numeric Integrator and Calculator. The first general-purpose electronic digital computer was invented by John Moseley and J. Presper Eckert. It consisted of 18,000 vacuum tubes and was 1,000 times faster than the Mark I. UNIVAC I, Universal Automatic Computer I. The first commercial electronic computer was developed by J. Presper Eckert and John Moseley in 1951. It was also the first computer to handle both numeric and text data.